In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall programs in Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, first of all, you need to go to your taskbar at the bottom, then go to search, then just type remove. Then you are going to see add or remove program. So you need to open these settings, click on open. Then this one will launch on your PC. So once you are here, you will see the list of the apps which have been installed in your computer. If you scroll down, you are going to see the number of apps which have been found. As you can see, 158 apps found. So you are going to choose the app which you want to remove or to uninstall from your PC. So I'm just going to choose any random app here. So let's say I want to uninstall Epic Browser. So you're just going to click on it. Then you are going to see uninstall button here. So click on it, then uninstall. So uninstall Epic Privacy Browser. Are you sure you want to uninstall this browser? So you are going to click on also delete your browsing data, then uninstall. So as you can see, the app has been uninstalled. So again, you can go to any program, you can select it and uninstall it. So that's really it, guys. That's how to uninstall programs in Windows 10 or Windows 11. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.